Picture this, you find yourself at a gathering surrounded by people, yet you feel isolated in a sea of superficial chatter. The room hums with the drone of small talk, weather updates, weekend plans, the latest binge-worthy series. You desire a profound interaction, a chat that surpasses the everyday and touches the soul. But how do you navigate from the shallow waters of small talk to the deeper depths of meaningful conversation? The path is neither straight nor easy, but it's a journey worth embarking upon. Let's explore the 10 essential strategies for understanding the art of meaningful conversation, each one a stepping stone to becoming a communication maestro. Number 1. Opening up with authenticity. The journey begins with a single step-by-step towards authenticity. Authenticity isn't just about being genuine, it's about being true to yourself while respecting others. When you approach someone with genuine enthusiasm or admiration, you create an immediate rapport. A heartfelt compliment or a sincere expression of interest acts like a bridge, connecting two souls and paving the way for deeper interaction. Remember, people can sense authenticity. It's like a magnetic force that draws them towards you. Number 2. Moving to deeper contexts. Surface level conversations are like quicksand, easy to sink into but hard to escape. To steer clear of this trap, make a conscious effort to shift the conversation towards more profound, more meaningful subjects. Open-ended questions that probe emotions, motivations, and beliefs can act as your compass, guiding you toward uncharted territories of understanding and connection. For instance, instead of asking, "What do?" you could ask, "What drives you in your work?" The power of parroting. Listening is an art, and like any art, it requires practice and patience. Parroting, repeating back the last few words or phrases someone said, is a technique that demonstrates your attentiveness and encourages the other person to delve deeper into their thoughts and feelings. It's a subtle yet effective way to transform a one-sided conversation into a collaborative dialogue. But remember, parroting should be done subtly and naturally, otherwise it might come across as insincere or patronizing. Number 4. Embracing vulnerability. Vulnerability is the cornerstone of authentic connection. By creating a safe and judgment-free space, you allow people to let down their guards and reveal their true selves. When someone opens up, resist the temptation to offer solutions or pass judgment. Instead, acknowledge their courage, validate their feelings, and express gratitude for their trust. This lays the groundwork for a deeper, more meaningful relationship. Remember, vulnerability is a two-way street. The willing to share your struggles and triumphs to foster mutual trust and understanding. Number 5. Leading by example. Leadership isn't about wielding power, it's about inspiring others to be their best selves. By sharing your own vulnerabilities, struggles, and triumphs, you can create a ripple effect that encourages others to do the same. Be open and transparent about your journey, showing that you're willing to learn, grow, and evolve. This not only fosters trust but also nurtures a supportive environment where meaningful conversations can thrive. Remember, authenticity is contagious. By leading by example, you inspire others to do the same. Number 6. Shadow work. Confronting your inner demons and embracing all aspects of your personality, even the ones society deems unworthy, is essential for authentic communication. Shadow work involves acknowledging and embracing your darker thoughts, emotions, and tendencies. By doing so, you free yourself from the shackles of societal expectations and cultivate a deeper understanding and acceptance of yourself and others. Remember, nobody is perfect. Embracing your flaws and imperfections is a first step toward genuine self-acceptance and authentic communication. Number 7. Investing in communication training. In today's competitive world, communication skills are more critical than ever. Consider enrolling in programs like Influence Academy, which offers guided courses designed to enhance your confidence and charisma within a month. With daily action plans, personalized feedback, and a 60-day money-back guarantee, Influence Academy equips you with the tools and support required to become a more confident and engaging communicator. Remember, Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Improving your communication skills will not only enhance your relationships but also boost your professional success. Number 8. The art of storytelling. Stories have the power to captivate, inspire, and connect people on a profound level. Mastering the art of storytelling can transform mundane conversations into memorable experiences. Learn to weave personal anecdotes, experiences, and insights into your conversations to make them more engaging, relatable, and impactful. Remember, the best stories resonate with people on an emotional level. Be authentic and relatable, and don't be afraid to show your vulnerable side. Number 9. Mindful listening. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to be physically present but mentally absent during conversations. Practicing mindful listening, being fully present and attentive without judgment, can significantly enhance the quality of your interactions. It shows that you value and respect the other person's perspective, paving the way for deeper understanding and connections. Remember, listening is not just about hearing words, it's about understanding the emotions, intentions, and desires behind those words. Number 10. Cultivating curiosity. Approach conversations with a genuine sense of curiosity and a desire to learn from others. Ask thoughtful questions, seek to understand different perspectives, and be open to new ideas and experiences. Cultivating curiosity not only enriches conversations but also broadens horizons, deepens connections with others, and fosters lifelong love of learning. Remember, curiosity is the fuel that drives intellectual growth and personal development. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it guide you toward more prosperous, more fulfilling conversations. Transforming small talk into meaningful conversation requires a conscious shift in mindset, approach, and communication skills. By embracing authenticity, active listening, vulnerability, and continuous learning, you can turn shallow exchanges into soulful dialogues that enrich your life and the lives of those around you. So, the next time you find yourself in a room full of small talk, remember these techniques and skip the boring talk to create connections that truly matter.